Hi guys, today we have another unboxing where I'm gonna unbox Philips Hue accessory Smart Button. This is a for my Philips Hue lights. I don't know if you can see them. There's a blue on the left side and green on the right side. Looking, what does it say? Smart button size, socket, 12-meter distance. There's a wall plate, mini mount, and smart button inside. The model, and also there's a battery CR2032, which is actually quite a standard size. There's some pictures on there, how it looks like. So let's get it opened. Oh no, I need to left my knife downstairs. Bear with me 1 second. I'll use my 3D printed knife. Let's have a look quickly. Okay, sorry, not very good at opening these packages. Okay, so there's nothing else in the box. I don't know if you can see that. So we have some manuals there. Okay, so sticky tape 3M, plastic with some stick. Oops, it went all the way in. I don't need it anyway, so leave it there for now. Okay, this is some instructions or warranty card. This is the manual. I think there's not too much going on there. And there's some on the back side. For those who want to scan the QR code, I think that's better. Just scan the QR code, guys. Okay, let's see if I can work this out without looking at the manual. Okay, recycling, don't need that. Okay, that one's easy enough. It comes with a plate. You can screw the plate by the looks of it, or you can tape it. Let's see. Can you push it out? No. I think you need to use a screwdriver. Let's see. I can't open it from this point. Bit hard. I'm sure you can open it like from the back, something here, but I don't have a screwdriver to pry it out. But this is the button anyway. So there's a click. There's no rotation or anything to it. So oh shit! I'm sorry. I'll probably need the manual, I think. So we're gonna start with the first part. Main button. Take the plastic out. I need a screwdriver to enable it. That's not very explanatory, is it? Oh, Philips Hue Connect. I need the app. I'll test it with the app and we'll see. 1 sec. Let me just see. Can we take this? How do we take this out? I'm not sure if you can take this out. How the? You need to plug your screwdriver there. Okay, I can see a small place where I can stick that. Okay, got my iFixit kit. Let's see now. Let's put it in there. So the battery is inside. I don't know what you want me to do with the battery now. It's actually, this is like a magnetic type of a. So I need to make sure. Yeah, okay, it's flashes like, so I don't know. You need to hold it a bit. Okay, 3 seconds. Let me pair it. Bear with me 1 second, guys. I'm just gonna pair it with here. Okay, so we're just gonna switch on the Hue app and pair the device. Let's see now, where do I need to click? Have a look more. Okay, our device is just on the top. Let's add a device. Yeah, my prison. Scan the QR code. Okay, let's scan the QR code. There we go, it's a smart button. It's actually quite straightforward, to be fair. I wasn't expecting it to be this easy. Let's press next. Let's tap on the switch. Bear with me now. Tap smart button. Okay, press and hold for 3 seconds. Let's do that. I think the light is already blinking anyway, so. Okay, let's search now. And waiting. No success. This was actually quite easy, to be fair. Yeah, we want to control the lights with it. Yep, for my prison as well. Next. And there's some additional settings here which to adjust how do you want to control your lights, which we'll skip. Done. And let's go back now to the camera. Okay, so let's see how is that gonna work out. So press once, it switches the lights off. Okay, controls different settings. If I press and hold, dims them down. Sorry guys, not sure what happened there. My app just crashed me. So this is the Philips Hue switch. It's actually quite nice. I think there's some other macro settings they can adjust. And this is, I need something like that whereby I can control on and off, which is actually quite handy. So yeah, thumbs up for this. Actually works quite sensitive. You don't need to go through the app. Very responsive, no issues there. So yeah, that's about it guys. Thanks for watching.